have with us Dr. Stuti in the house, who's here to share her insights on mental health and holistic healing. So without wasting time, let me get started. Ma'am, how are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
And if I would like me to ask you, like, if you could just give a brief introduction about yourself and the work that you have been doing in the past.
Sure, so I'm a founder of ETSA Trinity INC, which is established in the USA and in India. So it first got established in India in 2016, and I started off as only a clinical mental health practitioner, collaborating with psychiatrists and helping mental disorder patients. But then now we have expanded and upgraded, and it is now more so a neuroscience integrated mental health approach that we are using, where we have also added education and research, so educating practitioners and working with corporate with their problems. And also the third segment is to help allied health professionals get recruited abroad, out of India.
Oh, sounds fair enough, ma'am. But yet, if I'm not wrong, the word mental when it comes to accepting. So the acceptance into people's mind is not yet. So I believe that's a very drastic challenge for you and your industry. How do you cater to that, and how do you look forward to solving this problem so ahead?
Precisely, that's why we integrated neuroscience, because neuroscience it has a very different approach. So it does not label a person with a disorder. Rather, it helps them or educates them, I would say, to be aware of their own body, of their own physiology. And that's why we are using neuro-CBT approach, which is neuroscience integrated cognitive behavioral therapy approach, where people are not skeptical anymore, where people are happily ready to take education in regards to their whole emotional and physical well-being, because we are working holistically.
I can understand point, man. If I may ask you, so there are people who do not even recognize that they need help. So can you just elaborate on the symptoms of when there has to be a red alarm hitting off, this is where you need to have an approach outside and get the help for yourself?
Absolutely. When a person is not able to sleep at night, when they're trying to sleep and they're not able to sleep at night, when they're overthinking too much on a small issue, when they're not able to eat properly, when they have digestive issues, when they have pain, because we are dealing here with somatic issues.
Yeah.
And mental health is all about the cells, so that's when a person needs to be aware, when they are actually, when their body starts talking to them through these symptoms, then they have to take help, professional help.
Any first step that you will recommend for a person let's say me, if I am working from 9 to 5 or 9 to 8 in the evening, because it's just a corporate world that says on the papers it's 6 hours, 7 hours, but it's actually a long day journey which happens through. So any lifestyle changes that you will recommend? Or
Absolutely.
Yeah. So if you could just give your insights for that.
You should maintain a discipline. Time schedule, time management is very important. Nowadays people say, oh, I don't have time for myself. But everyone has time for themselves. It's about disciplining and managing time well. And you can do that by taking conscious decision, because at the end of the day, it is your conscious decision of how you want your life to be. So if you discipline your life and have a timetable, have a self-care routine starting at the onset of the day, I mean, being grateful, having gratitude for every small thing is also so very important.
So true.
And that is also another step. And journaling, I would say, scripting, and scripting not the negative things, but scripting how you want your life to be, how you want your day to be, rather than being negative.
Definitely, ma'am. There's a very nice and great words of wisdom. I believe our viewers are definitely going to make sure that they make use of the insights that you would have shared, and we are so grateful for having you here today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so